How does your body heal after a bad sunburn? When your skin gets badly sunburned, ultraviolet rays damage the DNA in your skin cells. This triggers the cells to release chemicals that cause inflammation, making your skin red, hot, and painful. This inflammation is your body's first defense, signaling that damage has occurred and starting the healing process. Next, your immune system kicks into gear. White blood cells rush to the injured skin to remove damaged cells and fight any potential infections. This cleanup crew clears the way for new skin cells to grow, which is why the area might swell and feel tender as your body works hard to repair itself. After the cleanup, your body starts producing new skin cells to replace the damaged ones. This regeneration causes the peeling you often see after a sunburn. Peeling is your body shedding dead skin and revealing fresh, healthy layers underneath. Although it can look unpleasant, it's a sign your skin is healing correctly. In the longer term, your body repairs deeper damage by rebuilding collagen, a protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. This healing strengthens your skin's barrier and helps protect you from future sun damage. However, repeated sunburns can cause lasting harm, so protecting your skin is essential. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.